Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine sliding into a cabin wrapped in buttery soft leather and real wood accents, then climbing into a commanding driving position that's practically a throne. That's the feeling you get stepping into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class, where opulence meets capability in a way few SUVs can match. Under the hood of this modern icon sits a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and a 48-volt mild hybrid system that injects extra torque when you plant your foot. Those 443 horses feel eager whether you're cruising city streets or tackling rocky trails, and while we'll always miss the growl of a V8, the new engine smooths out low-down power delivery without sacrificing punch. On pavement, the G-Class still carries some of its truck heritage. You'll sense its heft in corners, but independent front suspension and a slightly lower center of gravity have sharpened its road manners compared to earlier models. Engage one of the 3 locking differentials and low-range gearing, though, and this boxy legend transforms into a trailblazing beast, conquering steep inclines and deep ruts that would leave lesser SUVs stranded. Inside, the latest MBUX infotainment system greets you with crisp graphics across a 12.3-inch gauge cluster and central touchscreen, while optional rear seat entertainment keeps passengers glued to 2 11.6-inch displays. Choose the exclusive trim to indulge in Napa leather, massaging front seats, a heated steering wheel, and even a biometric locked safe for valuables, or spec the adaptive dampers to dial between cushioned comfort and firm control on uneven roads. Safety hasn't been left by the wayside either. A 360-degree camera system peeks under the vehicle to reveal obstacles, and Mercedes' adaptive cruise control with lane centering can guide you on long highway stretches, while active brake assist and blind spot monitoring stand ready to intervene if you drift too close to trouble. Despite its 6-figure starting price, the G-Class offers a unique blend of heritage, luxury, and off-road prowess that few vehicles can rival. Park one in your driveway, and watch as even seasoned car lovers pause to stare. If you're searching for a statement maker that doubles as a genuine 4x4 explorer, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class stands ready to deliver in the most spectacular fashion.